and we did so many things in that. Yes, we did the mode, we did the range, we did the median. Okay, we not did the mode, we'll do it today. We did the range and we did what? Mean. How to find out the mean and what all things we have to follow, what all rules we have to follow to find out the what? Mean. Okay, and range also. Range means what I told you? The range means the highest number minus the lowest number. We get what? Range we get. What we get, children? Range we get. Okay, and we did so many examples on that. Okay, exercise we did. In the previous class we started with the exercise 3.1. I think we did till 5. Yes, we did till 5 or till 6. Which till what number we did, children? Just see to it. Okay. If we not did the 5th one and 6th one, please try to. Okay. We'll do the 7th one today. Okay. We'll do the 7th one today. Okay, children. Before we start with a new class, new content in that, we start with a what, children? The prayer. All of you close your eyes and repeat after me. गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बू फलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्. Okay, now we'll start with the 7th problem, exercise number 3.1. All of you open exercise number 3.1 in that 7th one. Okay, the enrollment in the school during 6 consecutive years was as follows. What they are doing? Enrollment means the admissions. Okay, what all admissions and what all numbering they are giving now. That okay, in the 6 years. Okay, what all they are as follows: 1,500, not 500. Okay, 555, 1,670, 1,750, 2,030. 2,540 and the last one is 2,820. These are the different numbers. These are the what, children? These are the different numbers. The enrollment numbers. What are their enrollment numbers? Okay, what we have to find out? They are telling that find the mean enrollment of the school for the period. What they are telling to find out the mean. What we have to do? We have to add these all numbers now. Mean. How to find out the mean? The formula of mean. The solution I am doing now. Solution we have to do. The mean is equals to total number of enrollment divided by number of years. Number of years. Okay. Now, total number of, we'll do this. Okay. We have to write like this only. Mean is equals to 1555 plus 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820 divided by number of years. How much number of years, children? 6. Okay, number of years will be 6. Now add these all. What we get? I am doing it directly. 12,346 we get. Okay, add it. You also add, children. You will also get that much only. You have to add all the things. Now see whether it will divide or no. Whether it will divide or no. Where we have to do, children? In the rougher side. So copy this one. We will show you the division section in the after rubbing. Copy this one. Copy it properly. Now we'll see that it will divide or no. Okay, it will divide or no. We'll see in the 6th table. It will divide or no. We'll see. Okay, in the rougher side, make a rougher side. Rough. What is the value? 6 divided by 12,340. 48. Okay. 6, how much are 12 children? 6 2s are 12. Okay. 0 0 we got. 3 I will take. Yes. 3 I will take. What I will take children? 3 I will take. Okay. If I want one more, what we have to write? We have to write 0 here. Okay. That time we can take 2 numbers. Now 34 we got. 6 how much are 34? 6 how much are 34 children? 6 5s are 30. 30 near 30 we get 4 0. Again I will take down. What I will take down? 8. 6 how much are 48? 6 8s are. So completely divided. It is completely divided. So 1 2 3 4 8 divided by 6 we got what? 2058. Yes, this is our mean. What is our mean? Mean is equals to 2058. The school enrollment for the 6 years is 2058. Okay, this is the answer children. How you have to do like that. Like that you have to try 8th one also and 9th one also. Okay, will you do it? Is it easy children? Okay, do it and complete your exercise. Now copy this in your classwork children. Okay. Now we'll start with a mode. Today we'll start with a what? Mode part. Okay, copy this one. Like that only, step by step I want the division method. Okay, we'll start with a mode now. How to do the mode. Mode. Okay, same how we did the mean, how we did the range, the mode is also a one type of a way to calculate the data. Okay, as we said, the mean is not only measure of central tendency or the only form of the representative values. For different requirements from the data, other measure of central tendency is also used. Okay, mean in just calculate ಮಾಡುವುದು divided with the number of things they given, we divide. But in some case of other type of data, other type of complicated data, we have to take the other method, that is mode. Okay, that is mode. How we do the mode, how we calculate the mode, we'll see children. Okay, mean you all understood now how to do the mean, how many numbers they given. Okay, how which all numbers they given, that just we have to add it, divide with the how many numbers we have. We get what? We get the mean. Okay, this is what our mean we studied. Now we'll see the mode. Mode is what children? Look at the one example they given, see. Okay, reading part they given. We'll read it once and we'll show you the step. Look at the another example of the mode. The owner of the ready-made dress shop says, the most popular size of a dress I sell is size 90 degree, 90 centimeter. Okay, what he is doing, in the shop seller, what he did, he is telling that the most size, the popular size of his dress, of his shop is 90 centimeters. Observe that here also, the owner is concerned about the number of the shirt of different sizes sold. ಅವ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತಾನಂತಂದ್ರ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಅವ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡತಾನಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲದ್ರದ್ದು ಸೈಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ ಭಾಳ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡತಾನ. He is concentrating on the size. She is however looking at the shirt size that is sold the most. ಅವ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನಂತಂದ್ರ ಅವ್ರ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಒಳಗ ಯಾವ ಸೈಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನ. ಅವನ ಶಾಪ್ನಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದ? 90 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅವನ ಶಾಪ್ನಾಗ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. This is the other representative values of the data. The highest occurring event is the sale of the size 90 centimeter. The representative value is called as the mode of the data. The highest value, the highest sold or highestly repeated value, that will be what? Our mode. Here also the mode is what? The highest value or the highest repeated value. The highest repeated value. For example, I told you just now, the shopkeeper remembering the value which is highly sold. Okay, highly sold. which is highly stored number 90 centimeter. So he is concentrating on that number. He is concentrating what number? 90 centimeter. Like that, mode is also that. The highest repeated number. The highest repeated number is called as a what, children? The mode. Okay. I will tell you the one example. Find the mode of the given set of the numbers. They given us some of the numbers here. Some numbers. Some numbers. Okay. That is, the first number is, what is the first number? 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2 and 4. These are the numbers they given. Arranging the numbers in the which in the same values together. What we have to do in the ascending order or descending order, how you want to arrange it. Okay. Which is the smallest now? I will write it first. After that 2, 2, 2 and 2. After that 3. After that 4 and 4. I am writing in the ascending order. After that, the mode of this data is 2 because it occurs more frequently than the other observations. You know, highest repeated number, yeah. Which is the highest repeated number? 2. Because 1 occurred 3 times, 3 occurred only 1 time, this occurred only how many times, children? 2 times. So the highest number repeated will be what? 2. So 2 is a what, children? Our mode. 2 is what, children? Our mode. 2 is our mode. Okay. This is the way to find out the mode. Understood the mode? Now we'll go on to the large number. This is the large, small quantity of number ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇವೇನೇ ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಯ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ problem. When they give the large number, the large data, when they give the large data, how to do the problems we'll do? Okay. Tester. Now we'll do the finding the mode with the large data. Finding the mode with the what? Large. Putting the same observation together and counting them is not easy. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹಾಕಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದರ ಮೋಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಈಸಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಭಾಳ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅದ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ so many datas we have. Okay, now how to do we'll see. Okay, ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 10 ನಂಬರ್ 20 ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಬಡ 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 ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನೇ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ we write which is the highest number, we write it and finish off. But when they give so many numbers like 50, 60, 70, if they give like that, how to find out the mode? We'll see. Okay. Example for this. Following are the margins of the victory in the football matches of the league. Okay, football matches ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಇರುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. Okay, like 1, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 6, 2, 5, 2, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. These are the different numbers. Okay, they given in the league match, the football match. They scored like this. Okay, different numbers they scored. Now, what we have to find out? We have to put it in the tabular form. What we have to do? We have to put it in the table format. Okay, table format ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ we have to write the tally numbers. After that, we can find the mode easily. Okay, how to do the tally? We'll do now. Okay, we'll put it in the table form. This example only. When they give the large data, when they give the large data, we have to put it in the table form and then we have to find out the mode. Okay. Okay, margin. Okay, what is the margin? which all numbers are there repeatedly there, that common numbers we have to write it. Okay. Tally bars and number of matches. Okay. Number of matches. How many times it is repeated. Now the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one and sixth one. Now how many times 1 is repeated? How many times 2 is repeated? How many times 3, 4, 5, 6 is repeated? We have to write it. See the question. How many times 1 repeated? Tally we have to write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be like this. 5 will be crossed. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 times it is repeated. 9 times it is repeated. Like that 2 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many times? 14 times. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. That is 7 times. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 is repeated 5 times. So 5. 1, 2, 3. This will be 3 times. 2 will be repeated 2 times. 2 we got. After writing the tally, after writing the numbers, we have to add the numbers. What is the number? After adding what we get? Total will be how much we got? 40 we got. Yes? We got what, children? 40 we got. Now see, looking at the table, we can quickly say that 2 is a mode since 2 has occurred the highest number of times. Okay, now see which number is repeated too many times. 2. See, 2 have a highest number, the 14. So, the mode will be what? Our mode will be what? 2. Our mode will be what, children? 2. Understood how to find out the number? How to do the highest repeated number? That will be our mode. Like this we have to see, children. Okay, will you try it? Will you try it? How to do the mode and how to calculate the range, how to calculate the mean? Please try it once and we'll do the next part in this only in the next class, children. Okay, we'll meet you in the next class. Bye.